How to change crosshair settings in Battlefield 6. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can adjust and customize the settings of your crosshair in Battlefield 6. First is of course open up your Battlefield 6 and from your home dashboard or from your home screen, you should be able to see gear icon beside the profile feature. Tap on the gear icon that will redirect you into settings and then choose on graphics and next is choose on crosshairs and indicators. Now from crosshairs and indicators, by there you should be able to adjust your crosshair opacity, intensity, your crosshair color, thickness, and as well as your infantry crosshair projection. You could also try to adjust the heat indicator opacity, intensity, color, and as well as the headshot color. Now, once you have fully customized your preferred crosshair setting on Battlefield 6, you can go ahead and test it by going back into your home screen and then go into the training grounds. And then from training grounds, enter the firing range. You should be able to see the custom crosshair that you have just adjusted on the crosshairs and indicators. And that's it. That's how you change crosshair settings in Battlefield 6.